Excella Trader is a charting and technical analysis software which can be used to find best buying and selling shares. Now you click on the Excella Trader icon in the desktop. I agree. Now you are watching the dashboard. Excella Trader can be installed in 1 year license or 1 month. Now you are watching the full version of the software. The first thing you need to do before going to the menu bar and all futures here, here you will see the download data button. It will take several minutes to download the data, all 1364 shares listed in NSE. So we are not downloading it now, which is already downloaded, so we are closing here. I'll open the watch list here. Watch list window will show you buy and sell shares, entry point, target, stop loss is mentioned here for the buying and selling shares. This is intraday level button. Using the intraday level button, you can find out the details of the shares, whether it is neutral, buy or sell. We are taking one shares here, for example Call India.
Neutral.
According to the software, Call India is treated as neutral. That means the most of the signal is showing the neutral button here. So we are closing this window. Take another share, Voca Pharma.
Buy.
Voca Pharma, here we are showing the buy. The long entry is 601.9. The target is 663. That is the second target. Before the second target, the trader will show you the first target, which will be the R1, resistance 1. We are closing the window. Now we are leading to future 1. The future 1 window, you can find out the buying and selling levels for the futures. Now we are taking the Nifty levels here. After clicking the Nifty, you will see the possible opening ranges of Nifty. Trader need to input the volatility. The volatility will be taken from NSE website, which will be normally it will be between 0.8 to 1.2. Here I am taking 0.8. So this window will show you the bullish point, which will be the first buying point, the turning point bullish, which is first buying point, and the turning point bullish, the second one 6,800 here. So the expected high will be also there, which will be the exit point. There is another future window. We are using the GAN method here. So you can take any futures, whether it is stock future or index future. Here we are taking the SBIN, State Bank of India future. It is showing the buying level and selling level. Suppose the share is going above 1,918, then the first target will be 1,937. So coming to the selling, if the stocks, the share price coming below 1,898, then it will be a sell signal and the target will be 1879. So we are closing this window. Here is option strategies. Option strategies will be detailed in another software called Option Mantra, which will be given free of cost with the 1 year license. We will discuss the Option Mantra in detail in our later chapter. So now we are going to the charting. All kind of technical charting is elaborated here. We'll take SMA versus EMA here. So take the chart, take any of the share. Here we are taking ICICI Bank. past 50 days data will be taken here. The charting indicators, there are several charting indicators, whether it is oscillators, moving averages, indicators, all mentioned in the charting section. Excella Trader also have a real-time charting section in which you can find out the 1 minute chart. By default it is a line chart. You can make it with the candlesticks. There are 3 lines here, yellow, white and green. Yellow line indicates the buying point, the white line the first target, finally the green line second target. You can see a red line below the far below, that will be a stop loss. Closing here. Trading channel means you can record all your transactions, whether it is buy or sell, based on the Excella Trader recommendation given in the morning. So now you're seeing the buy, then it is a sell here. You can save it to the your computer for the future reference. Also you can watch the past performance from your recorded data. There is an option for positional traders who is not interested in day trading but interested in positional trading. Here you will see the shares which is moving, the shares which are showing the momentum for the last few days, and which can be which have the strength to go more in the short term. We are taking Adani Enterprises for example here. Adani Enterprises today is showing a neutral signal. We are taking IDFC. IDFC is down today. IDFC is showing a negative signal for the short term, so the bearish point will be 113 and the target is 98. PMS means portfolio management section. Using this PMS window, a trader can record their shares. You can create a portfolio, new portfolio, edit and delete the portfolio shares and all. We'll go to trading systems one by one. After downloading the data from NSE server, all the shares will be passed to different trading methods and algorithms. First, the shares will be passed into the momentum system and will calculate the momentum. Then share will go to breakout, inertia, signal strength, acceleration, flow, stochastic, and finally Fahrenheit system. We are using several conventional formulas to find out the strength and momentum of the shares, along with certain unique formula. We are using 2 types of stop loss system. One is simple stop loss system and other is ATR stop loss system. In simple stop loss system, we will find out the trend first. For example, here 30 microns is uptrend. Then we'll find out which can be the best stop loss if you are buying a share which is an uptrend, which will be a buy. Then if somebody bought the share, then what will be the best stop loss will be here. Then you can avoid the triggering the stop loss and the price going up situation. Volatility system will help the traders in during the intraday trading. For example, trader has to put only the last day closing, high of the day, low of the day, and current Nifty price. We are talking about Nifty. You can take any other futures, then it will show you if you are taking the long call what will be the maximum risk, and if you're taking the short call what will be the maximum risk.